Well guys, another rainy day in Sydney, and you know what that means. Let's go hunting. I've been waiting for a rainy day so I could take some time off work, and now I've got two in a row. So I'm going to head to the Sydney suburb of Rockdale. I used to live there 7 or 8 years ago till I moved to my current address. So yeah, it's about a 30-minute drive from my home to Rockdale. At Rockdale, I've made a video there before. There's a reject shop. Sorry, I was going to say Rebel. Reject shop and Big W. So hopefully there's something worthwhile buying. Let's find out. Okay, we got the parking spot not too far from the entrance, so that's pretty lucky. Considering it's so crowded here, especially on a rainy day. A lot of people come to shopping centres and spend their time and money. So let's hop in there and see what we can get. Okay, here we are at the reject shop at Rockdale. Let's hope it was better than the reject shop at Miranda. Okay, the music was playing, so I had to do a voiceover, just going through the matchbox, nothing new there. On to these spring series. Seen these before. I'm not sure if this is a new series or it's the old one, but kind of weird colour combinations. Not really my thing, but I guess someone's buying them. Yeah, the card art was okay. That's a nice one there. That's probably my favourite of the bunch of them. Those are the same, so just tidying it up again, putting them back where they belong. Always important to clean up your mess. Shout out to Diecast Dude, he's the one who taught me that. Looking at this gold and black series 55 year Hot Wheel, I think. Again, not really my thing. I don't like the colour combinations. Even the packaging is a bit bland to me. Yeah, I just went through them just for the fun of it, show you guys what's here. We're only about, I think, 3 or 4 different ones there. They're all the same after that. I did like that Volkswagen T1 van that I saw at the beginning. So yeah, I'm just going to put those back and keep that VW aside. There it is. It's got a transparent top, which is really cool. Just having a look at what else is there. Looking at the Hot Wheels. Seen all these before numerous times. Not sure what case it is, but yeah, nothing new there. This reject shop was actually better stocked than the one at Miranda that I went to yesterday. Here's a Star Wars Land Speeder we just saw. I've already got that. Toon cars. Not really into toon cars yet. Maybe one day. Here's the Batman series. These were pretty cool. $5.50 each. But the only Batman car I really like is the 60s TV series one, which wasn't here. That one sort of looked old, but I don't remember that from the olden days. The silver Batmobile. Found a couple more under there. I thought I might as well tidy them up while I'm here. So that was it for the reject shop. On to the next shop. Okay, heading towards Big W. I just picked up a VW model from reject shop. So let's see what's in Big W. Okay, when I got to the toy section, there was this woman there with her young child. And she had one of those voices that really carries, like half the store could have heard what she was saying. So it was just doing my head in. I had to get away from it. So I went to the clothing area here and had a look at the t-shirts and polo shirts. There was some really cool ones here. Yeah, her voice was worse than the in-store music. So there's a cool Hot Wheels t-shirt. I kept looking over, could still hear her voice, so just kept waiting and waiting until she left, and finally she did. Okay, finally in the toy section, that woman's gone. So looking at the colour reveals. The shelves were really well stocked because it's Christmas soon. There's good and bad about that. You know, you get plenty to look at, but on the other hand, there's also plenty of people in the shop. So I had to wait a couple of times for people to move on before I could film certain areas, which is okay, I don't mind it. So looking at the 10-pack Hot Wheels, going around to the display cabinet, the 5-pack Hot Wheels with $9 down below. Yeah, the display cabinet's a good idea, sort of draws attention to the aisle. Transporters were quite expensive at $40 each, and not much variety there. Yeah, heaps of Hot Wheels and Matchbox actually, you'll see them later. $2 is a good price, that's about as cheap as you'll get Hot Wheels in Sydney. It's a larger scale there, the Monster Jams. Looking on the other side, there's a really cool Corvette here, I like that. All the Fast and Furious stuff, there's a cheap bin there. Jurassic Park, pink slips. They were very expensive, $39. There's some motorbikes. There's some Maestos up there. I like this little, this old pickup. I'm just about to grab it. Really heavy. There must be a lot of metal in these. Seen them before though, nothing new to me. Tech deck. There's the muscle machines, nothing new there either. They're pretty cool though, I don't mind them. It's a nice Mazda RX, is it RX-8? I'm not sure. Fast and Furious anyway. Transformer. Back to the Hot Wheels, just went through a few aisles, a few racks I mean. This tuned Porsche was sort of interesting. Yeah, just put it aside in case I did buy it, but in the end I didn't buy it.
You got thousands of them, man.
No, what the car?
I would rather buy some books,
Still searching. Tried to look at what case it was, but the camera wouldn't focus. Too much background distraction. This Jeep was pretty cool. I worked out that if I point the camera at the floor, it'll focus on the case number. So you watch, there you go. Fast and Furious mini cars. Had another look, but I thought, nah, I'll put it back on the rack. Monster trucks and then the mini cars. Just want to film a few monster trucks because I know Big Keg and Diecast Dude are into these. Got to admit, they are really well done. Didn't like that pinch on that. There's a dinosaur one. Now in a minute we're going to have a look at a huge Matchbox Power Grabs display. And you tell me if you've ever seen as many as you see now. Look at those. There's 4 tiers of a cabinet full of them, stacked 3 deep. But they're all the same and they've been here for months. No one's buying them at $4.50. Why would they even order that many of the same case? I don't know, it beats me. So all that hunting was making me hungry, so I stopped at Rockdale Portuguese Chicken, got me some lunch, got a burger meal. It's called a pine gala meal, with pineapple, bacon, chicken, chili sauce. Really delicious, hadn't had it for a while. Absolutely enjoyed it, smashed it down and got out of there. Delicious. Okay guys, I've left Rockdale Shopping Centre and I've now stopped at the beach on my way home. I'll just give you a view. Some beautiful North Oak pine trees. That's what I'm trying to say. Along the beach side here. Just show you outside. I'll put the window down so you can see how windy it is out there. See the white caps on the waves? Just a couple of days ago it was 28 degrees Celsius and today it is, let me show you, 18 degrees. If I can focus, yeah, see it says on my dash 18 degrees Celsius. So yeah, huge difference in temperature, some 10 degrees. That's Sydney for you. One day it's stinking hot, next day it's freezing cold. So this is Sandringham Beach. I come here quite often on my way home from work. If it's a really hot day, I'll stop and go for a swim to cool off before I go home. So yeah, very nice. And don't know if you can see in the distance, I'll zoom in a bit. Those cars going over the bridge, that is Captain Cook Bridge, which I will be driving over when I go home. Yeah, so let me show you what I actually bought at Rockdale Plaza. What are you interested in? Okay, I bought this torch. I've seen this advertised before. Apparently they're military grade tactical LED flashlight. This is probably just a cheap knockoff version of it, but I do need a new torch, a good quality one. So I grabbed this for, I think it was $9.95. Yeah, $9.95 it was. So it takes 3 AAA batteries, I believe. Yeah. I might even try it on my diecast fire trucks, light up the interior with it. So yeah, there was that. And then because it's Halloween here in Australia next Tuesday, I bought this this metal sign, for $5. So this is to hang on our front door so the kiddies know we're giving out lollies. So $5 for that at a reject shop. The torch was from a reject shop too. Also from a reject shop, I got some of these gummy Can you see that? Gummy body parts. These are to put in the kids' Halloween bags. You can't really see in there, but I can see like little hands and hearts and all different parts of bodies, noses. So yeah, the kids will get a kick out of that. And I only actually bought one die-cast model, and that was in the reject shop. I bought nothing from Big W. There was heaps of stuff there, but nothing that really caught my eye. So all I bought was this one in the reject shop. This Volkswagen TI GTR. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't think I'll keep it. See if I can get a good angle for you. Yeah, I'll probably give this away or trade it. But that was $5.50. Here's the others you can get in the series. You got a Nissan 180SX, 92 BMW, the Volkswagen TI GTR, which I have, Range Rover Classic, 66 Chevy Nova, and 15 Dodge Challenger SRT. So yeah, that's all I bought at the reject shop, diecast wise. So alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed my little hunt. As I said, this is the second consecutive hunt that I've done because it rained again today and I couldn't work. So it means I didn't earn any money, but you know, it is what it is. We've had a really good run with fine weather lately. So yeah, I enjoyed getting out and doing a hunt. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. It's Friday at 2:12 p.m. here in Sydney, Australia. So have a good weekend everyone, and I'll see you in the next Red Trucks video. Bye for now.